Okay, a very simple way to check for cooling system leaks. Super easy, super cheap. You want to disconnect your overflow hose, connect up a short piece of new hose with a bit of a cable tie. That one's just connected to the stem of the radiator outlet there, right there. You need an air compressor for this. So I've got a tire pressure gauge and clipped into the end of that. Hang on, let me focus. So if I pop that out, if I can, hang on. Yep, there we go. So that is an air inflator for maybe air mattresses and air toys, stuff like that. Pop that in the end of your tire inflator. Pop your hose into the end of the radiator overflow. Now we've just got our tire inflator pushed into the end of the radiator overflow hose that we made up. The radiator cap is either 13 to 16 psi. Don't overpressurize it too much, maybe up to 17 to 20 psi. The radiator cap will act as a safety valve if you go over. I'd limit it to about 17 to 20 psi. We'll pop some pressure into the system. You can cable tie this, but I'm just going to squeeze it with my fingers because it will shoot out. So we'll pressurize this to about 20 psi. So now that is quite pressurized. We've got some pressure in there, maybe about 10 to 15 psi. So now what we have to do is look for some leaks, and I've already found some. If we have a look down here, check that out. There's our first leak up there somewhere, and we've got another faster leak right there. So that's how you find cooling system leaks without having a hot engine. She's cold, you can work on it. We'll just disconnect that. So yeah, fully pressurized. Check this out. So that's a self-relieving valve. I've got a packet of that. This is a Trident radiator cap with safety lever. I've got rid of all the words and sticker on the front there. That was a bit of a task, but I can do an episode on that as well, how to make that nice and shiny so it doesn't stick out like yellow and red. I just like the red to match the engine. So yeah, that's it. Easy cooling system check with just an air compressor, a tire pressure thing, a little adapter. Could just do it with an air hose. If you've just got an air trigger hose, you can do that as well. Just don't over pressurize it. Just feel your radiator hose. So we've got no pressure now, so there's a little bit left in there, I reckon. Yep, yeah, just feel your hose while you press your air gun into there, and then just pop your overflow hose back on and keep that for later. Beauty. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and leave a comment below. This helps my channel out lots. And if you'd like to follow or subscribe, that would be awesome.